High five.
Good morning and welcome back to Good Morning Maine. We're here with Remo Rossi. He's a tax expert for Jackson Hewitt. Remo, thank you for joining us this morning.
Well, it's a pleasure to have been invited.
Yeah, and you made it through the snow, so you did well.
Yes, I go back to in New York in the 60s when we used to get 3 feet of snow in Long Island.
So this is nothing.
Yeah,
you know
this
what you're
is
doing.
And still had to go to school, too, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
Right.
And go to work and get on the Long Island Railroad.
Right.
Hard workers, us in the Northeast. Right
That's
on.
right.
So, Remo, can you tell us what's new this season about tax stuff?
Well, a lot of people, unfortunately, are experiencing refund shock.
Yeah.
For 2021, the government and the IRS were very generous.
Yeah.
There was extra child tax credits. The earned income credit was more generous, but that has been substantially changed for 2022.
We're
In
getting
fact,
back to
even
pre-pandemic.
I worked last year for in
22.
22, but in 2021, I was able to get an earned income credit at my age, but that has been eliminated for 2022.
Gotcha.
And the additional child tax credit was eliminated. In fact, on our software it says 2021 only, so we can explain that to tax clients so they can understand what's happening.
Is this specifically affecting seniors and families? Is that what?
Yes, seniors and families, yes.
Gotcha.
And even in individual single filers also.
Okay.
I was wondering, when is a good time to go to somebody to get your taxes professionally prepared?
As soon
as possible.
You know
when
why?
should
Because
you do it
of identity theft.
Right.
That's getting worse.
Yeah, because people are filing your taxes under your name and then claiming the benefit.
Wow.
Right. And then the government is requiring a lot of taxpayers to have a personal identification number. It's called IPPIN, I-P-P-I-N. And they get a letter in the 3rd week of January, and we have to include that number. It's a 6-digit number on a return, so it won't be rejected. And some people are surprised that the IRS said, well, we want you to use this number.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So that's why you go to a pro.
Yeah.
We know that. We know all the changes. And we can do the return to the best of our ability, and you can feel comfortable, go home and sleep, and not worry about April 15th.
Well, you know all the tricks and the deductions, like for gas mileage.
That's
some people,
a bad word.
What's that?
Tricks.
Okay, I don't mean tricks.
No tricks.
Not as in sneaky.
No.
Yes.
You know what? We're a very competent professional outfit.
And you know things that you can deduct that the common person may not know, like
Right.
me, because I don't know much about taxes.
Well, we can't deduct your boat.
No? Oh, that's what I was hoping for.
What about my
And
cell
the-
phone? If I use my cell phone for work, could that be something that I'd
Oh,
claim?
absolutely.
Okay.
But of course, some of it is personal.
Right.
So we would say to you, what is the 80-20 rule apply? 80% business, 20%?
Okay.
Same thing for vehicles, that kind of thing, if you're using it for work?
Yeah, self-employed. Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
So come ready with questions is what you're saying, because you have the answers.
We have the answers, and we'll take the time to answer all your questions.
Good. I think that's what people need. And we're getting the wrap, but where can people reach out to learn more? You have phone numbers, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we'll put those on the post. We'll post this interview online. But what are your phone numbers? You want to repeat? Are these yours or Jackson Hewitt?
Jackson Hewitt numbers.
In Bangor?
In Bangor. We have an office in 611 Hammond Street.
Okay.
Very nice office. We have some snacks, water, coffee.
Snacks.
And that number, if someone wants to make an appointment, 207-573-7629.
Gotcha. So we will repeat that when we post this online.
Now, I'm at Walmart Brewer,
Okay.
and if they want to make an appointment with me, that is 207-844-6162.
Perfect. Okay. And we're getting the wrap, Remo. I hate to cut you off, but thank you for joining us today. This has been valuable information.
Okay, good.
Thank you. We'll
Glad
send
to
it over.
be here, and thank you again.
Thank you. We'll send it over to Devin Biggs for our full weather forecast.
I'll call you because I need help.